Unveiling the Hidden Ace in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in both casual conversations and strategic discussions: hidden ace. If you've ever been curious about what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English, then you're in the right place. Let's reveal the secrets behind this expression and how it can add a touch of mystery and strategy to your English vocabulary. The phrase, hidden ace, originates from card games, where the ace is often the highest and most valuable card. To have a hidden ace means to have a secret advantage that others are not aware of. It implies a strength or a resource that you keep in reserve and only use when it is most needed or when it can have the greatest impact. In real life, a hidden ace can refer to any skill, piece of knowledge, or resource that gives someone an unexpected advantage in a competitive situation. Now, let's put hidden ace into some sentences. 1. The negotiation was tough, but luckily, I had a hidden ace up my sleeve. 2. You thought I was out of options, but I've been holding on to a hidden ace. 3. She may seem inexperienced, but she has a hidden ace that could surprise her opponents. By using the phrase in various sentences, you can see how it conveys a sense of strategy and hidden strength. You can use hidden ace in a business context when discussing strategies or resources that are not immediately obvious. It's also useful in sports commentary, when a player reveals unexpected skills or tactics. Furthermore, in personal storytelling, revealing a hidden ace can add an element of surprise or turning the tide in your favor. The idea of having an ace up one's sleeve has been romanticized in literature and movies, symbolizing the cunning and foresight of characters who outsmart their adversaries. This phrase can make your language more colorful and expressive, illustrating the dramatic reveal of an unexpected power move. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a hidden ace is and how you can use this expression to your advantage. Whether it's in your personal life or professional dealings, knowing when to play your hidden ace can be a game changer. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve your English fluency with every video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if you have any hidden aces of your own. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.